The next math game for this week is called Cover That Number. The directions for this game are on pages 35 and 36 of your packet. There is a 1 through 10 game board on page 37 and a 1 through 16 game board on page 38 of your packet, so you can pick which one would be more appropriate for your student. You will also need 3 dice and game markers to cover the numbers on your board. First, we're going to show you how to play this game using just one game board. The goal of the game is to fill in as many circles as you can with your piece. We are using these pieces from a different game that we have, but you can use anything that you have around your home. In this game, we are going to be using both addition and subtraction, and we are going to be taking turns rolling the dice. So I rolled a 5, a 6, and a 3. So I am going to add my 5 and my 3 together to make 8. I will place my marker on the 8, and then I have my 6, so I'm going to put my piece on the 6. So he rolled a 5, and a 1. So he is going to add the 5 and the 5 together to make 10, put his piece on the 10, and he's going to put his other piece on the 1. So I rolled a 1, a 6, and a 2. One of the things that you can do in this game is remove somebody else's piece. So there are no more 1s left for me to cover up, but my dad placed his piece on a 1, so I can actually take his off, get rid of my 1 since I used that to remove his piece, and now I have 6 and 2, and I'm going to subtract this, 6 minus 2, to make 4, and place my marker on 4. So he rolled a 4, a 3, and a 5. So he is going to be using subtraction, 4 minus 3, to put his piece back on the 1, and then he used his 5 to put a piece on the 5. So you will keep taking turns rolling the dice and filling in each circle until the whole board is filled up. Whoever has the most of their pieces on the board wins the game.